Greetings everyone, my name is Fernando Perlindungan. This time I would send my manuscript autopsy finding of nitrogen cyanide on the human body review. Introduction. Acetone cyanohydrin (HCl), an organic cyanide, is mostly utilized to make methyl methacrylate or MMA. The capsule is found in cassava roots, which are major source of calories in some tropical nations. HCl has the potential to be hazardous to its contact since the cannabinoids cause enzymatically degrade into acetone assembly lethal hydrogen HCl. Cyanide compounds are widely used in industry. Cyanide consumption has high incidence of severe symptomology and death. With the increased use of plastic building materials to potential hazard of cyanide poisoning of compound of smoke inhalation in closed space fire Humans can be exposed to cyanide in variety of ways. This includes solid, liquid, and gaseous. Sources include industrial chemical, natural products, medication, combustion products. The most common routes to exposure are inhalation of toxic fumes and ingestion of cyanide salt, cyanide-containing fruit seeds, and cyanide waste, contaminated drinking water, respiratory route represent a potential fatal type of exposure. Cyanide exposure can also occur to skilled industrial workers. Purpose: improve forensic pathology's understanding of how to collect and expand of cyanide poisoning includes how to detect cyanide poisoning on human body, how to take sample for the use of trace evidence of cyanide poisoning. Method: use review original medical journal research. Keyword search: cyanide poisoning autopsy. Use the following search engine: PubMed, Scopus, ProQuest, Science Direct, and Google Scholar and NCBI. Eligibility criteria: text availability, free full text, article type, case report, subject, machine, keyword, cyanide poisoning, autopsy, source type, journal, publication date, article from 2012, 2022, about 10 years, species, human, language, English, sex, female and male. Autopsy findings: we found about 6 articles. One is hydrogen cyanide and carboxy hemoglobin assessment in open space fire-related fatality. Second is 2 fatal cases of acetone hydroxycyanide poisoning case and literal review. Third, a fatal poisoning case of acetone cyanide and citalopram. 4, accidental death due to the toxic industrial cyanide inhalation and autopsy case report. 5, toxic blood hydrogen cyanide concentration as a fatal sign of disease room fire victim case report. 6, cyanide concentration in blood and tissue of fire victim. Discussion: the measurement of interpretation of cyanide and cholesterol extent cyanide in blood and other tissue is obviously important in cases of suspect cyanide or cyanogen compound poisoning, such as in certain foodstuffs. The level of inhaled cyanide in the body after death in a cadaver samples can fluctuate over time. Conclusion: the individual visualized within the post-mortem is examination of the passing related to chemical calamities out granted security and preventive measures. The onset of cyanide harming side effect is detailed inside second on inward breath or intravenous infusion of water-soluble cyanide salt and takes a few minutes to sink on ingestion of inorganic cyanide salts. The harmful impacts of cyanide are basically due to the ingress of oxygen-consuming breath and stark anaerobic breath at the cellular cell level. Early positive impacts are primarily neurological, counting discombobulation, migraine, sickness, and uneasiness, and with advance towards serious harmful impact, counting coma, seizure, respiratory misery, hypotension, and tachycardia. The set of 3 serious cyanide harmful incorporate hypotension, change mental status, and lactic acidosis, central respiratory capture due to toxic hypoxia, and respiratory center is the foremost mode of death in cyanide poisoning quality. The ultimate cardiovascular capture happens inside 50 minutes of inward breath. Thank you, terima kasih.